In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a database in ClickUp step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method uses ClickUp's built-in templates, so you can get a fully working database set up in just a few minutes without starting from scratch. This is perfect for managing projects, tracking information, or organizing your work more efficiently. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account using your email and password. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the left sidebar and click on New Space. Creating a new space helps you keep your database organized and separate from other projects. Next, type in a name for your space. This should reflect what your database will be used for, such as CRM, content tracking, or inventory management. After naming your space, continue to the setup options. Now click on Use Templates. Templates allow you to create a database structure instantly without manually setting up fields and views. In the template search bar, type in Database. You'll see different database style templates designed for various use cases. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've found the right template, click on Use Template. ClickUp will now ask where you want to place this database. Click on Select Location and choose the space or folder where you want the database to live. After selecting your location, click on Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will now automatically create your database with pre-built fields, views, and layouts. And that's it. You've successfully created a database in ClickUp using templates. From here, you can customize fields, add entries, and adjust views to fit your workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future ClickUp tutorials.